In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the National Informatics Center has consistently stood at the forefront, driving digital transformation and fostering innovation. As we present this annual coffee table book, The Digital Pathway, for the year 2023 to 24, we celebrate a year marked by remarkable achievements, pioneering initiatives, and unwavering dedication towards building a digital future. Known for organizational trustworthiness and cost-effective solutions both in state level and pan-India, NIC Odisha thrives on applications that encompasses emerging technologies like AI, cloud, DevOps, microservices, IIoT, GIS and remote sensing, RPA, blockchain and cyber security, etc. The shift from e-governance to Digital India emphasizes inclusiveness, extending beyond mere governance to true citizen empowerment. Recognizing this vision, NIC Odisha has undertaken numerous initiatives creating many comprehensive digital ecosystems. Project Sathi establishes an extensive national ecosystem for seed stakeholders, ensuring the nation's food security by forming a national seed grid. While the NEVA project implementation streamlines operations at the state legislative level, enhancing state-level democratic processes, E-Panchayat Sabha platform fosters grassroots-level democracy, enabling local governance to thrive. The resonance of e-Office has crossed 1,000 plus offices this year, significantly strengthening the administrative framework. Projects like DAMS, Disaster Assistance Monitoring and Payment System, the GIS-powered ODRN portal, and Samarth stand as examples of commitment to mitigate the impact of natural calamities on the public life by leveraging digital platforms. CCMS 2.0 has effectively reduced the need for in-person visits to government offices for land disputes, while projects like Bhu Arjan streamlines processes and enhances efficiency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, and resettlement process. Through the sustained initiatives like e-detection project in transport, IVFRT, e-Abakari in excise, use of low-code no-code platform Service Plus to deliver 70 plus services, AIM 2.0 in MSME, JEPNIC, etc. NIC is not just developing digital systems but weaving a fabric of interconnected solutions that drive progress and empower every citizen. NIC Odisha prioritized the rejuvenation of its employees' minds and souls through a range of capacity building, welfare, and team building activities, including participation in technical conventions, tech talks, tech expos, publications, and various socio-cultural activities through NIRS and Welfare Committee. As you delve into the digital pathway, we hope you gain a comprehensive understanding of our endeavors and the impact they have had on the digital landscape of Odisha. This book is not just a chronicle of our accomplishments but also a testament to our vision for the future where technology serves as an enabler of growth, inclusion, and innovation. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to state and district administration, stakeholders and partners whose support and collaboration have been instrumental in our journey. Together, we continue to pave the way for a digitally empowered Odisha.